Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video of today, we wanted to talk about when the exact and best times are to trade in the currency market. Okay, because I've seen lots of people that they sit at the charts for hours and hours and hours, even when it's not even a right time to trade. Okay, obviously we need to trade when price is in our valid zones or our valid levels or whatever we're looking for. Okay, but there are certain times that these moves tend to happen. Okay, so we need to understand that. And it has a very basic answer. Okay, it's just um, trading when the big boys, when the banks and all that stuff, when they are trading as well. Okay, so when they are open for business. Okay, that is when the most volume is going to be in the market. That's going to be the best times for us to trade as well. So the tool that I use are the sessions indicator. It's just you can see how where the sessions when they open, when they close, and all that stuff. Okay, so usually this comes with like Asian session as well in blue, but I'm not really interested in Asian session. It just annoys me this color, so I turn it off. Um, so I know this whole white part is Asian session where you can see most of the times this is going to be ranging a little bit, okay, and then the actual moves are going to happen. For example, we're going to look at yesterday, the previous day. Here at 9 my time is when London opens, okay, and then here at 2 o'clock is when New York opens, and then obviously um, this color here will be the overlap between London and New York, which is one of the best times to trade because all the banks are just open, all in Europe and all in the United States. So this has the most volume. And then here at 6 o'clock p.m. my time, um, London closes and it's just New York until 11, and then Asian session starts. Okay, so obviously where the most volume is going to be is between London and New York. Okay, obviously this right here. Um, but you have to see as well, like you can use this volume tool as well. I don't use it, but it's just to show you guys. You can see during Asian there's not much volume, as you can see right here. There's not much volume in this part, and then the real volume just happens right here during London, or you can see it here, London and New York overlap. So these are definitely the best times to trade. I don't even use this, so I'm going to delete it. So yeah, this is something you really need to understand because this can really you can really set less time at the charts. Okay, so you know when to actually trade. You can see when the moves happen. Usually a little bit around like after the open, not the exact open, but usually a little bit after the open, like 30 minutes or something like that. After the open, the actual move starts happening. You can see it right here. For example, you can see that at when this candle finished, it was 2:30 when it finished. So that's about half an hour, and then the actual move starts happening here as well. At London, it's this candle started at 9:30, so at 9:45 the actual move started happening, which is a pretty good amount, which is about 60 pips, which is pretty good. And then this move as well, strong move to this 15-minute sell zone, about 40 pips. So you can literally catch like right here. This day was a crazy day, so you literally catch like 70 to 100 pips this day by just using these two moves. Okay, obviously depending on your entry and your stop loss and all that stuff, depending that will affect the risk to reward. But there are these movements that can that you can take advantage of. And so, for example, right here, London today, they opened very strong with like almost 50 pips, and then there was actually like a 15-minute buy zone that you could have entered after like just a little bit later, like 1 hour, a good 1 hour after London Open, still valid. So you can enter here and I don't know, maybe hold to here or to here, whatever. Okay, so that really depends on you. There's a lot of movements that you can take advantage of if you understand when to trade, because that way you don't really need to spend hours and hours on the chart. You can literally just set up the charts and work when it matters. Okay, and don't just spend hours waiting and waiting and waiting, or doing whatever most people do. Okay, which is just analyzing and seeing this and seeing that, making it so difficult. So yeah, this is basically just a short video just to explain a little bit when the exact and the best times are to trade and set up the charts and actually do your job, which is trading. And yeah, hope you liked it. Hope you find it helpful. If you have any questions about this topic, let us know in the comments down below, or send us a direct message on Instagram. We'll definitely help you out with some more stuff if you need help with anything. And yeah, would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel, as we're uploading new videos every single week. And yeah, it's only gonna get better and better, and keeping posting more content for you guys. And yeah, would also appreciate if you can share any ideas or stuff that you want to see, and that you want us to make a video about. That would be real nice as well, to have some more topic ideas. So yeah, anyways, hope you liked it, and we'll see you in the next one.